In this video, I'll show you how to deposit crypto into your Kast Card app, plus the key checks to avoid sending funds the wrong way. Open the Kast app, tap Receive, then choose Crypto. Use asset type to pick the coin you're depositing, and Kast will display a QR code and a wallet address. Copy it. Before you send anything, read the rules shown on that screen because fees and minimums can differ by asset, and some deposits may be converted into a stable balance inside the app. If you want to reduce surprises, stablecoin deposits, like USDT, if supported, are often listed with different fee rules than coins like BTC or SOL, so compare them first. Now go to your external wallet or exchange, select the same asset, hit send, paste the Kast address, and most importantly confirm the network matches what Kast expects. Consider sending a small test amount first, especially if it's your first deposit. Once confirmed, the transfer may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. You can track it in your wallet and then check Kast under Accounts or Activity to see the credited amount. Subscribe for more crypto app tutorials that keep your deposits smooth and safe.